Hello, parents and students. This is Miss Greenidge coming to you today just to review kind of what your children should already know and discuss what this week is going to look like. Um, this is going to be our third week, so students are going to do a lot more independent work. They'll be expected to turn it in. If I can't immediately see that they've turned it in, they'll be expected to, once I check, they'll be expected to get that done. I'm going to leave each of the assignments open until the end of the week so that if they missed a day or they didn't get a chance to turn in an assignment on the date it was due, they could still turn it in before the end of the week. So let's get started by going into Canvas. I want to make sure that you understand that if your child is not logging in through Clever and then Canvas every day, they're signing in basically as a guest, and when they come to the Teams meeting, they're not able to use all of the features in Teams. So it is important every day before you log into Teams to come to the Canvas page and log in to Teams through the Canvas page. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So here I am at Clever and I'm clicking on my Canvas page. And once it opens, oh, come on. All right, here we go. Once it opens, I'm going to scroll to Miss Greenidge's class. My screen looks different than the screen that your children will be seeing. So know that there probably will only be 2 courses in your child's dashboard. So this is my main, excuse me, this is my home page, and I'm going to click the student view so that way you can see it, and it's going to look just the way it does on your child's computer. So this is the home screen, and anything that you'll need to do, everything that says to do is listed here. So all the things that will be due will be here. By tomorrow, when your child logs in, the only things that they will see are the things that are for that day. So if there is an assignment for Monday, all of Monday's assignments will be here on the to-do list. As we scroll through, this is how I want the children to sign in every day. They go into Teams, and then they click on the daily meeting link. That's what they do, okay? Every single day, that's how they should be logging into Teams. All right, so let's get back to the assignments this week. For the children to find what their assignment is, besides the to-do list, when you scroll to almost the bottom of my page, there are links that will take you to a page that tells you exactly what to do on that day. So, for instance, Monday's page will show up. I'm not finished, but here on the whiteboard, it will tell the students what to do. If the link on the whiteboard is not highlighted, it's not a hyperlink, which means that it's not going to connect immediately. So underneath, I will have what the lessons will be for them to complete. So the hyperlink will either be on the whiteboard or it will be underneath the slide. But every day they will click on what day it is of the week, and it will tell them what we're going to be doing. Now they do not do this on their own. I'm going to also walk them through what needs to be done. So before they get started with their daily work, they're going to be working with me live in Teams, and every time you see this T, this little icon here, you can click on that. It's going to take you right to that same daily page. But every day they need to log in, and I will explain what we're doing for the day. All of the items that they need to complete will be here on the whiteboard. The hyperlink to get to those items should be underneath. And you can always return to the home page by clicking Return Home. So I want to talk to you about how they are going to submit their assignments. So once I put all of the new assignments for Monday, like I just showed you, the students can go to the actual Monday and they will see all of the assignments once I put all the assignments in for the week. I haven't finished that just yet. But I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment just by going to the to-do list. And let me find that for you. Back to my home page. Okay, so here's the to-do list. And I'm going to click on, I want to click on check for understanding. Okay, so this is an assignment that is, okay, so I had to switch that assignment. Here's the assignment that, well, one of the assignments that they're going to have to do on Monday. So I wanted you to see what it looks like and how you submit the assignment. The students are going to have to answer this question. Beneath it is a rubric of what you're expected to do. Accurately describe a pioneer's life. Students accurately determine the meaning of the word self-sufficient. Now, when it's time for the students to actually complete the assignment, you will click on the Submit Assignment button, and it will open. There's a section where the students can actually type in their work. However, for students who struggle with typing, they can submit a picture. They can write their answer down and then use their computer's camera to take a picture, or they can record themselves reading their answer. So those are going to be the two ways that you'll be allowed, or the students will be allowed to submit. They will either type their answer in or record their answer using the camera. So, for instance, it will say record or upload media, and you can click on that. And it's kind of dark in here, but you will see that there's a how we can record. This is exactly how we can record. There's also the upload media, and if you record the file and save it, you can do it like that. If you're going to record yourself, you just start the recording, and when you're finished recording, you have to wait a minute, maybe 5 minutes or so before it will actually show the file. So those are the two ways that you can submit an assignment. All right. So thank you so much. Please know if you have any questions, you can always send me a message through the inbox, or you can send me a message on Class Dojo. So have a great week. Thank you.